Learn Bosnian fast. Can you? Equals.
Možete li?
Polite requests. Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Let's make polite Bosnian your superpower today. Imagine a fancy door that won't open until you say the magic words.
Možete li?
You smile, add a respectful tone, and boom, the door bows open. Respectful curiosity is your vibe today. Your learning goal today. You'll confidently ask for help, time, or small favors, politely and clearly. Main target. Can you?
Možete li?
Formal. Informal with a friend.
Možeš li?
Extra polite.
Biste li mogli?
Think of.
Možete li?
As a golden key that opens the door to help. False friend alert.
Možete li?
You, formal, is not.
Može li?
Can he, she. Sound and rhythm. Let's feel the beat so you sound smooth and confident. 3-beat loop.
Možete li? Možete li? Možete li?
Gesture tip. Open your palm upward as you ask, kind and confident. Rhyme to remember. When you need a try, say.
Možete li?
Help will fly. Mini dialogues you can use today. Time for real talk, short lines you can steal and use right away. A. Excuse me.
Izvinite.
Can you help me with this box? Bosnian.
Izvinite, možete li pomoći mi s ovom kutijom?
A. Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Bosnian.
Izvinite, možete li reći mi koliko je sati?
A. Can you open the window, please? Bosnian.
Možete li otvoriti prozor, molim?
At the station. Can you show me the platform for the train? Bosnian.
Možete li pokazati peron za voz?
Bonus informal with a friend.
Možeš li otvoriti prozor?
Forms and smart variations. You're in control, pick the right level of politeness for the moment. Formal default.
Možete li?
Extra polite.
Biste li mogli?
Great in shops, offices. Informal with friends.
Možeš li?
Alternative structure.
Da li možete?
Also common. Emphatic, negative, can't you?
Zar ne možete?
Use gently. Mirror play you may hear.
Li možete?
In conversation. Category. Polite requests, questions. Comparison. Formal.
Možete li?
Versus informal.
Možeš li?
Memory hacks. Make it sticky, funny, and unforgettable. Mnemonic. Možete sounds like Možete li. Picture Lee asking for more space politely.
Možete li?
Loci method. At your front door, a welcome mat reads.
Možete li?
You ask politely before entering. Metaphor.
Možete li?
Is a golden key that opens help. Exaggeration. Say.
Možete li?
And 1,000 helpful hands appear. Handy, right? Senses. Smell Bosnian coffee as you ask.
Možete li?
Donageti, Ch.23? Then taste sweet baklava as a reward. Culture tip. Sarajevo vibes. Be warm, be polite, and people will meet you halfway. In Baskarcija, starting with.
Izvinite.
And.
Možete li?
Shows respect. Lost? Try.
Možete li pomoći mi pronaći baščaršiju?
People will gladly guide you. History note. Merchants appreciate hearing polite Bosnian, little words like
Molim.
and
Hvala.
go a long way. Quick quiz. Tiny test time, you've got this. 1. Multiple choice. What is Bosnian for, can you? Answer.
Možete li?
2. True or false.
Možete li?
Is informal. Answer. False, it's formal. 3. Listening, you hear.
Možete li?
Meaning? Can you? 4. Create it. At a restaurant, say, can you bring the bill, please?
Možete li? Donijeti račun, molim.
5. Speed round, informal.
Možeš li?
Your speaking challenge. Say it out loud, own the phrase with confidence. Template.
Možete li?
Plus verb, infinitive, plus object plus.
Molim.
Try one. Can you open the window, please?
Možete li? Otvoriti prozor, molim.
Try 2. Excuse me, can you tell me the time?
Izvinite, možete li? Reći mi koliko je sati.
Stretch goal, extra polite.
Biste li mogli pomoći mi s ovom kutijom?
Wrap up. Nice work, your Bosnian sounds kinder already. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Možete li? Možeš li?
And friendly helpers like.
Izvinite.
And.
Molim.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio drills. Vidimo se next time.